Veronica King, an expert in business coaching. I help business owners to grow their businesses and professionals to progress in their careers. It is generally known that successful entrepreneurs use a 90-day plan. The 90-day plan improves your chances of success by focusing on what needs to be done. Your vision is what you want your business to be. You should think about what you want your business to do for you and your family. Use your vision to set your short, medium, and long-term goals. Use your 90-day plan to set tasks that will achieve your goals. As you complete your tasks, you will be able to track progress towards reaching your goals. As you can see, your 90-day plan is divided into 30-day chunks. You can begin by typing in your vision. Set your end goal first. Your 60 and 30-day goals will be your key milestones. If you don't achieve these milestones, then you will not achieve your 90-day goal. Remember to put in a start date and an end date, as it will make it easier to update your status. The 90-day plan is available for you to download. To help your business succeed, continue to use the 90-day plan.